guys, the Mayor here, back with another Dragon Ball Z Dokkan battle video, and today we're going to be summoning some new transforming Kefla. Disclaimer, let's just look at the banner real quick. We have Kefla, she's pretty good. Vados, who's also pretty good. Android 13, who's okay. MVP 17 is okay. Hit's not so good. This guy is not aging too well, and Turles is pretty good. I know I said a lot of these units are pretty good, but please, do not summon on this banner. Like, it's to save your stones for the download celebration coming soon. Now, I made an oopsie like I did on my global, and I decided not to record. I pulled my first LR off camera, and I'm upset at myself, so no matter what, now, if I'm going to be doing a single, I will be recording it. I have 216 stones, so I guess let's just hop in. Now, this video will be coming out really close. Like, not this video will be coming out really close, but the... No way! First multi? Oh, there's no way that actually just happened. Did I just... I think I just saw things. Like, did Zeno actually just pop up first multi? Oh my god. That's crazy. I'm not summoning anymore. I got who I needed. Hold on. This is actually Kefla, right? Like, dude. Oh my god. That really just happened. Alright, I can't just do one multi, so I guess let's do one multi here. Oh no, but what? Krillin brought the luck. Krillin really was just like, here, have it. I didn't even do anything. All I have is the name Alexa. That just shows that you should make your name Alexa on your account. So I'm just saying. You can do whatever you want. That's just what I suggest. Make your name Alexa. But first multi? Dude! That's crazy. I don't even know. Oh, I'm ending the video here. Well, this is the Mayor, and I'll see you guys when I come for the 2-year anniversary units on Legend.